Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have in a class of 100 students. So, we have 100 students. There are 70 boys whose average marks in a 7 subject is 75. So, number of boys is 70 and average marks is 75. So can I say that the number of girls will be 30 as there are only 100 students? Okay. If the average marks of the complete class, acha, this is the average mark of complete class. Average mark of complete class is 72. Then what is the average marks of the girls? So look at this, how we will try to extract this answer. So suppose that like in your class we have decided that we will distribute chocolates, okay, and anybody can take any number of chocolates. Now you know that there are 70 boys and average is 75, means each student is taking 75 chocolates. Each boy student is taking 75 chocolates. Now can I write number of, wait, total number of chocolates, okay, number of chocolates by boys plus number of chocolates by girls. So boy, there are 70 boys and every boy is taking on an average 75 chocolates. So can I say that the number of chocolates taken by boy is 70 times 75, 70 into 75? Correct now? Now we know the number of girls, but we don't know the average number of chocolates that is being taken by girls. So we will put it as x. Okay, now there are 100 students and the class average is 72, means uh, all together the number of chocolates are 72, means like every student is taking 72 chocolates. So can I write 100 into 72? Is that okay? I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Okay, now what I will do, I will divide both side by 10. So this thing gone, this thing gone, this thing gone. Now again I will divide all side by 3. So we got 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 5 are. Okay, and this thing is gone. Now can I write x equals 240? I will send this thing this side. Okay, so 25 into 7 is 175. Okay, so if you will subtract this you will be left with 65. Therefore the number of chocolates, the average number of chocolates taken by girls is 65. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflex.